infant head shaping pillows to prevent or treat any medical condition. FDA says no, these are not doing anything to our knowledge. Scan the QR code if you want to see FDA's notification. But if you go today and do a Google search, you're going to find any number of infant head shaping pillows. These are just pillows with different shapes that are claiming to reshape your baby's head. And I guess if you have some kind of a flat head syndrome, that might seem really tempting. But the FDA says this. They say the FDA is not aware of any demonstrated benefit with the use of infant head shaping pillows for any medical purpose. The use of head shaping pillows can create an unsafe sleep environment for infants and may contribute to the risk of suffocation and death. If you own an infant head shaping pillow, throw it away. Do not donate or give it to anyone else. Now, what's interesting about this is the agency isn't saying that infant head shaping is impossible. In fact, they have cleared caps, helmets, headbands for use as a cranial orthosis device intended to improve cranial symmetry or shape in infants and toddlers. Reshaping is a thing, and there have been lots of projects where reshaping all sorts of parts of a developing body happen with some regularity. It's just that a pillow lying on the bed with the baby placed on top of it is not necessarily going to do that. In fact, there are dangers associated with that. Leaving things in an infant sleeping area does have dangers associated with it. And that's why the FDA is recommending that if anybody has these, just get rid of them. But this is always a great example of claims. When we bring news items, we want to bring them for a reason that is of interest to our community. And here's the thing. When you go to the agency and you say, or rather when you go to the market and you say, I want to sell you this product and it does this thing, that is what FDA busies itself about monitoring and ensuring that the devices are safe and efficacious for use. So when you go out to the market and you say, this device treats a disease state or condition, and you don't hew to what the FDA expects you to do, this is the sort of thing that's going to happen. So we can I expect in coming weeks to see all the major retailers pulling these off, or at least relabeling them. Now it's going to be a comfort sleep pillow. It's not going to be a head reshaping pillow. If you are aware, though, of anything that has caused a problem with this or any other medical device, I want to remind you of FDA's MedWatch program, the FDA Safety Information and Adverse Event Reporting Program. Anybody can go there and report problems with medical devices. And it's really a service to the community when you do. So just remember that's always there if you're aware of any problems with devices on the market.